water. All right, we got everybody. Welcome to One World Observatory.
Hungry?